IGCSE Science Academy. If you are preparing for your IGCSE, GCSE or high school biology exams, you already know that questions on how muscles work show up all the time. We have got you covered. In this video, we are going through the 20 most important and repeated MCQs on the functions of muscles. We will give you the correct answers, break them down simply, and give you key exam tips so you can avoid common traps. Let's get started. Question 1. What is the main function of skeletal muscles? Option A, pumping blood around the body. Option B, producing voluntary movement of the skeleton. Option C, controlling digestion. Option D, regulating body temperature. And the correct option is option B, producing voluntary movement of the skeleton. Skeletal muscles attach to bones via tendons and create voluntary movement. Question 2. Which type of muscle is found in the wall of the heart? Option A, skeletal muscle. Option B, smooth muscle. Option C, cardiac muscle. Option D, voluntary muscle. And the correct option is cardiac muscle. Here is an exam tip. Cardiac muscle is unique. It contracts rhythmically and never fatigues. Question 3. Muscles can only pull, not push. How do they move a joint in two directions? Option A, by twisting. Option B, by working in antagonistic pairs. Option C, by using tendons. Option D, by storing elastic energy. So correct option is option B, by working in antagonistic pairs. Exam tip: antagonistic pairs, when one muscle contracts, the other relax. For example, bicep and tricep. Question 4. What connects a muscle to a bone? Option A, ligament. Option B, cartilage. Option C, tendon. And option D, synovial fluid. So the correct option is option C, tendon. Exam tip: tendons are strong, inelastic connective tissues that attach muscle to bone. Question 5. During arm flexion, which muscle contracts? Option A, triceps. Option B, biceps. Option C, deltoid. Option D, gluteus. And the correct option is option B, biceps. Exam tip: biceps contracts flexor, arm bends, triceps relax. Classic antagonistic pair. Question 6. What is the role of smooth muscle? Option A, voluntary body movement. Option B, pumping blood. Option C, involuntary movement in organs like the gut. Option D, movement the eyeball. And the correct option is option C, involuntary movement in organs like the gut. Exam tip: smooth muscles control involuntary actions, peristalsis, blood vessels dilation. Question 7. Aerobic respiration in muscles produce which products? Option A, lactic acid only. Option B, carbon dioxide, water and ATP. Option C, glucose and oxygen. Option D, ethanol and carbon dioxide. And the correct option is option B, carbon dioxide, water and ATP. Exam tip: aerobic glucose plus oxygen, carbon dioxide plus water plus ATP, much more efficient than anaerobic. Question 8. What builds up in muscles during vigorous exercises when oxygen is limited? Option A, glucose. Option B, carbon dioxide. Option C, lactic acid. Option D, glycogen. Correct option is option C, lactic acid. Exam tip: anaerobic respiration, glucose into lactic acid plus ATP causes muscle fatigue and pain. Question 9. Oxygen depth after exercise is used to: option A, make more ATP for future use. Option B, oxidize lactic acid to carbon dioxide in water. Option C, produce more glucose. Option D, cool down body temperature. So correct option is option B, oxidize lactic acid to carbon dioxide in water. Exam tip: oxygen depth, extra oxygen needed to break down lactic acid accumulate during anaerobic respiration. Question 10. What is the immediate energy source for muscle contraction? Option A, glucose. Option B, glycogen. Option C, ATP. Option D, lactic acid. And the correct option is option C, ATP. Exam tip: ATP, adenosine triphosphate, is the direct energy currency for all muscle contraction. Question 11. Which type of muscle is under involuntary control? Option A, skeletal muscle. Option B, cardiac muscle. Option C, both A and B. Option D, neither A or B. The correct option is option B, cardiac muscle. Exam tip: cardiac and smooth muscles are involuntary, skeletal muscle is voluntary. Question 12. When the biceps relax during arm extension, what happened to the triceps? Option A, it also relaxes. Option B, it contracts. Option C, it shortens. Option D, it remains unchanged. The correct option is option B, it contracts. Exam tip: this is the antagonistic principle. One contracts while other relaxes. Question 13. Glycogen stores in muscles is converted to what for energy? Option A, fat. Option B, protein. Option C, glucose. Option D, lactic acid. The correct option is option C, glucose. Exam tip: glycogen is the stored form of glucose in muscles and liver, broken down during exercise. Question 14. What is the role of myosin and actin in muscle contraction? Option A, the stored energy. Option B, they are protein filaments and that slide past each other. Option C, they carry nerve impulses. Option D, they produce ATP. And the correct option is option B, they are protein filaments that slide past each other. Exam tip: the sliding filaments theory. Myosin heads pull actin filaments, shortening the sarcomere. Question 15. Which ion is essential for triggering muscle contraction? Option A, sodium. Option B, potassium. Option C, calcium. Option D, chloride. And the correct option is option C, calcium. Exam tip: calcium release from sacroplasmic reticulum binds troponin, allowing actin myosin interaction. Question 16. Peristalsis in the gut is caused by which type of muscle? Option A, cardiac muscle. Option B, skeletal muscle. Option C, smooth muscle. Option D, voluntary muscle. And the correct option is option C, smooth muscles. Smooth muscles in gut walls contract in waves to push food along. Peristalsis. Question 17. What happens to muscles during long-term exercise training? Option A, they decrease in size. Option B, they become less efficient. Option C, they increase in size and strength. Hypertrophy. Option D, they convert to cardiac muscle. Correct option is option C, they increase in size and strength. Hypertrophy. Regular exercise causes muscle hypertrophy, increased size, strength, and endurance. Question 18. During anaerobic respiration in muscles, which molecule is not produced? Option A, ATP. Option B, lactic acid. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, energy. And the correct option is option C, carbon dioxide. Anaerobic respiration in animals, glucose into lactic acid plus ATP. No carbon dioxide is produced. Question 19. What connects bone to bone at a joint? Option A, tendon. Option B, ligament. Option C, cartilage. Option B, synovial membrane. It's option B, ligaments. Ligaments, bone to bone, tendons, muscle to bone, a very common exam trick. Question 20. A sprinter muscles feel sore after a race. What is the most likely cause? Option A, too much oxygen in the muscles. Option B, excess ATP production. Option C, build-up of lactic acid from anaerobic respiration. Option D, depletion of carbon dioxide. It's option C, build-up of lactic acid from anaerobic respiration. Sprinting is intense anaerobic, lactic acid build-up, muscles fatigue and soreness. At the last, here are the key themes to remember. First, muscle types: skeletal, voluntary, smooth, involuntary, cardiac, involuntary. Connections: tendons is equal to muscle to bone, ligaments, bone to bone. Antagonistic pairs: biceps as triceps, one contracts, the other relaxes. Energy: ATP is the direct energy source for contraction. Anaerobic respiration: glucose to lactic acid plus ATP causes fatigue and oxygen debt. Aerobic respiration: glucose plus oxygen to carbon dioxide plus water plus ATP, more efficient. So this is all for today's. Take a quick screenshot of this screen for your last minute revision. Best of luck with your IGCSE and Biology exams. You are doing to do great. If this video helped clear things up, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next revision session. Thank you and stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like.